content creator landscape change from your perspective from the time when you started the,
Oh, it's very
Vincent?
different now. My contemporaries include Lloyd Cadena, itong yung
Yeah,
sama
the
namin
list.
nila Lloyd, nung mga friends ni Lloyd, matagal na yun eh. So during that time, during the peak of Vincentimins, ang content dapat hanggang 3 minutes lang. And mind you, ngayon 30 seconds lang. No? So paigsi ng paigsi ang attention span ng tao. It's a good thing I entered showbiz nung time na yon ng 2018, 2019 na hindi pa kami masyadong masikip. Ngayon sobrang dami ng content creators, may TikTok na tayo, which I don't own a TikTok account. So it's very diverse. Well, kasya naman lahat sa stage, sabi nga nila. But now anything is content eh. So I'm not kind of feeling that vibe. As a creator, I always go for the story. Para sa akin ang may kwenta, yung may kwento. So hindi ako masyadong fan ng vlogging na eto gagawin ko today, make fun of myself, make myself look ugly so people will support. I'm not really a fan of that.